Hi DIY families, I'm Claire from HTVRONT. So today we're turning the ordinary office supplies into branded masterpieces. And we are about to transform this workshop into a customization pop-up store from 3 hot sellers from HTVRONT. Alright, let's meet up today's dream team. So this is our HTVRONT Auto 2 heat press machine, and this is the tumbler heat press machine. And this one is actually right now crowd's favorite, our H17 phone case heat press machine. Check out these stunners. Mission accomplished. Blank to branded in just 30 minutes. So that's it for today's video. Check the link in our description box with all the product links with special offer. What would you like to see next? Leave your comment and your idea may be realized soon. I'll see you next time.